your ultimate guide to different types of coffee. Arabica and Robusta are the two most commonly found coffee beans, but there are typically 4 types of coffee beans. They include Arabica, Robusta, 𝗖𝗍𝗽𝗆𝘆, and Liberica. Coffee brands will often label their products with information about the specific coffee beans that went into making it. Without a doubt, Arabica is the most widely consumed kind. Depending on who you talk to, a lot of coffee lovers prefer utilizing Arabica beans because of their flavor. Arabica beans provide a richer, more nuanced flavor that you may drink directly and are typically used for black coffee. Oddly enough, despite being the most popular kind, Arabica has less caffeine than Robusta. Robusta is a less expensive and more potent variety of coffee bean than Arabica, while being more popular. Robusta is commonly used for espresso drinks and in instant coffee mojos due to its better flavor. Looking for a cup of joe to fix that Monday morning lag? Opt for a coffee brewed with Robusta beans. Robusta will quickly wake you up because of its greater caffeine level. The most popular types of coffee drinks. Espresso. An espresso shot can be served alone or used as the base for the majority of coffee beverages, such as lattes and macchiatos. Black coffee. With ground coffee beans soaked in hot water and served warm, black coffee is as straightforward as it gets. Additionally, if you want to sound sophisticated, refer to black coffee by its formal name, café noir. Americano. The Americano is made with an espresso shot diluted in hot water, and it tastes like black coffee. Pro tip: when preparing your own, pour the espresso first and then the hot water. Cappuccino. A cappuccino is a latte that has more foam than steamed milk and is sometimes topped with cocoa powder or cinnamon. There are occasionally variations available that use flavor shots or cream in place of milk. Latte. The latte, the world's most well-known coffee beverage, consists of a shot of espresso, steamed milk, and a thin layer of froth. The option to have it simple or with a flavor injection of anything from vanilla to pumpkin spice is available. Mocha. You will fall in love with a mocha, or perhaps you already have, all you chocolate lovers out there. A chocolate espresso beverage with steamed milk and foam is called a mocha. Macchiato. Another espresso-based beverage with a hint of froth on top is the macchiato. It's the perfect balance between a doppio and a cappuccino. Doppio, a double shot of espresso. Irish coffee. Irish coffee is prepared using black coffee, sugar, whiskey, and whipped cream on top. Flat white. This Australian-created beverage is just a cappuccino without the chocolate sprinkles or foam. It's a steaming milk beverage made with espresso. Cortado. A cortado is the ideal proportion of warm steamed milk and espresso. The milk is used to lessen the acidity of the espresso. Other types of coffee drinks we may have not mentioned. Affogato. Doppio. Gallo. Lungo. Red eye. Ristretto. Iced coffee also comes in different types. Remember, a yawn is a silent scream for coffee. Thanks for watching.